Be ready. Start. Dear Sir, in reply to your favor yesterday, we regret that we are unable to quote special rates for a very small quantity of goods, yet we shall be glad to supply you the same at the regular if you favor us with your order. The quoted by us are the terms. We are in a position to offer you for such a small lot. Para, we state that the goods are of the best quality, and if you place the order with us within 7 days from now, we shall be pleased to deliver the goods at the rate quoted by us. We are very happy to state that at present orders for our goods are increasing day by day. As such, it may be difficult for us to supply the goods if you place the order after a week's time, which you may please note. Para, on hearing from you either on telephone or by letter, we will arrange to send the goods by passenger train to your station. In any case, we will arrange the delivery to you satisfaction as early as possible. Para, we request you to please do not misunderstand us for our inability to quote special rates as requested by you. We are taking this opportunity to enclose herewith our account for your approval. Please return the same duly accepted and signed by you in due course of time. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Stop.